so much. Thank you for coming. Sample tester, because my equipment, I have a completed equipment for testing.
All those testing equipments and the machines.
The bending test.
This is for the bending.
Yeah, bending test. It's a pull tester.
Right.
Because some of my clients from overseas, sometimes they cannot just go over here.
Yeah, you just
because you know that it's a long flight, so I just took a video of them.
Absolutely.
It took him 24 hours.
Yeah, sometimes elongation test machine for the wire rod.
कितना वो खींचता है ना?
Oh, I see. What do you call it again?
Elongation test machine.
Oh, there.
Yes, they have the English version. And you see, sometimes the engineers just work right here with computer to test the power cables. Computer right here.
Nice.
Power cable.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think this is for the North America trucks.
Okay.
Power cable for North America. It's all automatic. It's all
Right.
Yeah. You can just customize the requirements. For example, like the photo lens, for example, like this, I just put it in the machine, and then they just automatically cut out the power cables. Environmental friendly PVC.
Right.
We can directly
friendly.
export to the Europe
Oh, okay.
and North America.
Right.
The worker who manufactures the polymer. It's like electricity bill is different. Yeah. So I just consider about my manufacturing cost. That's why I usually require my worker for the PVC part. This is our self-owned workshop. So these are the production lines.
Yeah.
After production lines, you see we can see the whole PVC, right? But
Right.
like when we move on to the second step, some other requirements they require.
This is skinning, right?
Yes. Trimming area. It's a trimming area. Around, then
Yeah.
you just automatically link with the plug. Show you my no, it's not.
For the price.
That's how they work.
इसके बाद ये
That's the tomato we have.
This is the middle. That
Yeah.
We have like almost like 15 injectables. So right now it's not up. We just export to the UK.
This one?
The British.
Yep.
For example, like if you want to export to the power cable to the North America,
Yeah.
the voltage is 110 volts.
Okay.
So that's why we need to test for the power cable for the North American market.
Right.
Not a machine, but right now, pause the the shipping labels onto the cartridge.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Packaging. And then this is the packaging area where they check the quantities and the shipping marks.
Yep.
Everything accordingly.
You can see the cartons, like the carton boxes. We can do a customization as well.
Yep.
For this. We sometimes
Certainly.
Once you have the local requirement,
Here we're finishing the tour. The cable line factory here.
shows us.
Shows that.